This is how you make fluffy slime.
So, you have to have glue. You can have white glue or you can have clear glue.
It has to be Elmer's glue though.
It has to be Elmer's glue because Elmer's glue is good quality. And so, you need clay. You need clay. Any color clay you want. It'll make it more stretchy and fun. And you can have like these little accessories, And we got all these stuff from Dollar Store. Oh, and you also need shaving cream because like it also makes it fluffy. And you need glitter if you want.
And even if you have like the small bottles of Elmer's glue, you could just use a lot of shaving cream because it makes it more bigger.
And if you don't have food coloring, you can use food coloring, but we didn't have it, so we used paint. Okay, so how you make it is you get any glue, like Elmer's glue, you put it in, and then you have to mix it with a spoon, and then after that you have to put shaving cream if you want, shaving cream, and then mix it, and then you need like, if you have like detergent or anything like that, you can
You could just
put
like
it.
use the bottle.
Yeah.
I just want the Ziploc.
Yeah, so you can put it in and then mix it, and it'll be like, so it'll like start to form, and then it'll be like this, and then you can put like any color you want. It doesn't have to be color; it can be white, and then you can get like, you can put accessories, and then you have to get your hands, and then you have to start mixing it. It might be sticky, but if you get your hands and mix it, then it'll be no sticky.
What are in the accessories? So glitters?
They're glitter balls and stuff like that.
That's it?
Yep, that's it.